We get asked a lot about the secure access code. It is required by regulation that we offer some form of secondary authentication, meaning another way to verify you aside from your username and password. The way it works is when you set up your online banking, you give us 3 forms of contact: email address, phone number, or cell phone number. When you sign up, it will ask you to choose one of these methods to have a code sent to you. Once you get the code, you enter it on the next screen and choose whether or not you want to have one-time access or if you want to register your device for future use. That code is a cookie that is stored on your computer. So until you delete the cookies from your browser, you won't have access to that secure access code again. And you won't need access to that code again. It's important to note that these codes are one-time use only. You will never need to use them again. They help protect you if someone somehow gets your login ID and password. They would still need access to your email, phone, or cell phone number in order to get into your online banking. So I kind of want to give an example for you, Sarah. With registering your device for future use, I recommend doing that from your home computer. That way, when you log in daily to check your balances, you do not need to get a secure access code each time. However, if you're at the public library or at a coffee shop, I highly recommend that you select one-time use only, because once you've completed that session, that code is gone.